Keyboard repeat delay is the time difference between when you hold a key down and before it starts repeating. If you need to use the same alphabet or number or any character, hold and wait for the same key to appear again and again, but rather quickly. Keyboard repeat rate determines how quickly the letter repeats itself once it starts. For example, when you press and hold alphabet A key, Windows starts typing the second A after a few millisecond delay, which is the repeat delay. Repeat rate decides and tells Windows how quickly should it type rest of the characters followed by the first character. If repeat delay is decreased and repeat rate is increased, we can force Windows to type repeated characters faster and quicker. The same thing applies to arrow keys navigation. We all use arrow keys on our keyboard to navigate. Since arrow key is also a key, repeat delay and repeat rate also apply to its navigation. For example, scrolling in a browser using the arrow keys. If we change both the features, it will also make navigation using arrow keys faster. You can change keyboard repeat delay and repeat rate in Windows 11. Open keyboard properties from Run command. Press Windows and R keys together to open Run dialog box. Type Control Keyboard and click on OK. Keyboard Properties window is opened. Alternatively, you can open Keyboard Properties using Control Panel. Open Control Panel, click on Keyboard. Keyboard Properties window opens. You can close the Control Panel window if you want. In Speed tab, you will see sliders to customize repeat delay and repeat rate properties in character repeat section. There is a text box with the caption, click here and hold down a key to test repeat rate, right under the repeat rate speed slider where you can test the changes. Repeat delay can be set to long or short and repeat rate can be set to slow or fast. If you set it to long, then there will be a long delay between the first and second characters. Drag the slider to short, click on the text box, press A, notice the delay between first and second characters. Click in the browser, press the down arrow key, notice the delay in the scroll. Now change repeat delay to long. The delay between first and second characters has increased. The delay in the scrolling has also increased. To change the repeat rate, use the repeat rate slider. If you set this slider to slow, the repeat rate of characters would decrease considerably. Set the slider to slow. Now when you press a key, notice that successive characters are typed slowly. Also, when you press the down arrow key in the browser, it scrolls slowly. If you want the successive characters to be typed in quickly, set the slider to fast. Now press the key, successive characters are typed quickly. Scrolling speed has also increased. You can always go for moderate speed levels in between slow and fast to make it optimum speed. Once finalized, click on Apply and OK buttons to save the changes. Change keyboard repeat delay and repeat rate using Registry editor. Advanced users can also modify Registry to customize keyboard repeat delay and repeat rate. Press Windows and R keys to open Run command. Enter regedit and click on OK. Registry editor opens. Go to this key, hkey_current_user/control panel/keyboard. In right side pane, look for keyboard delay and keyboard speed strings. You can change value of keyboard delay to any value between 0 to 3, 0 shortest, 3 longest. Default value is 1. You can set value of keyboard speed to any value between 0 to 31, 0 slowest, 31 fastest. Default value is 31. Right click on keyboard speed and select modify to change the setting. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.